When you spend time in meditation and prayer, you're doing this for a reason. You're doing this because you want to experience change in the deepest parts of your being. You could use Chakra Healing Cards to find that healing aspect of yourself, so you can achieve greater focus during meditation or prayer and experience more tangible results from your efforts to resolve your problems, issues, and the things that are affecting the deepest part of your being. To get you more familiar with your cards, the following is an example of what you could do to set up your area and work on your root chakra energy. Stone types are red jasper, black agate, smoky quartz, bronzite, hematite, red aventurine, dalmatian, and jet. It also includes characteristics associated with that chakra. For example, it influences thoughts about safety, security, ability, needs, inflexibility, anger, desire, greed, and jealousy. It also includes affirmations such as, I am supported at all times. I am a beloved child of the Source Creator, and I am invited to embrace life. It also includes sound therapy, the vowel such as like in hug, the mantra lamb, the note that it's associated with, which is C, which is at 396 hertz. And also the aromatherapy options, which in this case would include cedarwood, patchouli, thyme, sandalwood, vetiver, and ginger. And finally, it includes spirit guides that are directly associated with the root chakra, such as Archangel Gabriel, Lord Serapis Bey, and Lord Ganesha. Meanwhile, the card itself is red, sending that energy in your direction, plus the chakra symbol is also on the front of that card looking at you at all times. Next, you want to turn the card over and you'll once again see that a chakra symbol will be facing you and extending that energy into the intention of what you choose to be and do. The rear of the card provides a wonderful healing meditation that makes use of the information on the front of the card. The meditation starts with a simple phrase. Find a quiet space and say, I invite Archangel Gabriel, Lord Serapis Bey, Lord Ganesha, and my guides to join me in this healing meditation. It then recommends you breathe in a fragrance such as cedarwood or patchouli, or apply a blended oil directly to your hands or in an oil diffuser. Next, hold your crystals, such as hematite or red jasper, on the root chakra area and spend a moment chanting followed by a moment chanting Lamb. Then slowly read these affirmations 3 times and allow them to sink in. I am supported at all times. I am a beloved child of the Source Creator, and I'm invited to embrace life. I am always safe and secure, being carried, followed, and surrounded by loving beings. I claim abundance and am open to give and receive. I am always grounded to Mother Earth and can support myself. And then you would repeat that 2 more times. Then you're instructed to set the crystals aside and hold your hands above the root chakra area to initiate a Reiki session. You can do this since healing is a gift from Source given to us all. Invite this Reiki energy by saying Choku Rei. Reiki masters can also follow by saying Daiko Mayo. Healing energy will flow from your hands into the chakra area. If you find your mind wandering, you could simply say silently to yourself, open, or picture a red light at that location. Do this for several minutes or until you feel the energy flow slow. Then we want to release old energy and old habits from the root chakra. So then we follow by saying, I release any root chakra related contracts, agreements, limitations, beliefs, rules, or bindings that no longer serve my highest good. I hand them over to Spirit to either correct or return to Source. I would rather see I am complete as I am instead. And then we finish the session by acknowledging and accepting the healing by saying 3 times, I am thankful for this healing, and so it is. I am thankful for this healing, and so it is. I am thankful for this healing, and so it is. After finishing the meditation, you may find that by having raised your energy, you will also raise the energy of your environment and of all those around you. This is because you will radiate the essence of what you have chosen to be. And this is perfect balance because the universe does not reward you without also rewarding all those around you as you become this conduit of extending peace and clarity into all aspects of your world. So I invite you to embrace the personal growth potential provided by using Chakra Healing Cards. They provide a spirit-guided journey to help you focus and find the healer that already exists within you. Namaste.